Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking a clean position and asking for utility. Place yourself one crouch width from the corner so you can dash without getting wall banged. Call for smoke on the main choke and a flash to blind defenders. This forces them to reset angles. Once done, ready your dash and review the map ping for teammate timings. You want vertical or lateral space to create confusion. That space is what lets you enter fast and safely while your team clears remaining sightlines. You commit the dash when the smoke or flash confirms the choke is contested, not merely thrown. Dash in a short burst to clear the immediate close corner, pre-aiming shoulder level to catch common head peaks. Make sure to use mobility to create unpredictable elevation. Updraft or short dash disrupts aim and forces defenders to retime shots. Once inside, reset your crosshair on the next likely angle, and call your movement so teammates can trade effectively and finish the site sweep. You finish by sealing the site and managing post-plant priorities. First, clear the immediate default and high-traffic spots using short peaks and pre-aims, then plant where you have cover and a quick escape. Make sure one teammate watches flank and another holds the long retake angle. If entry fails, don't force, fall back behind a smoke, let teammates burn utility, and reapproach with a different angle. That reset prevents giving away positions and forces opponents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.